Hello guys, welcome to our first compilation of Trains of Battle Creek. Hope you guys enjoy. It's mostly Canadian National and some partial Illinois Central. Hope you guys enjoy, and please like and subscribe.
Oh, you got a UP on it?
Yep. Alright guys, looks like we have an eastbound train coming into town here. And we have a westbound coming going outside of Battle Creek here. This is a ST70 M-2, very common engine for Canadian National Railways. This has a beautiful horn on it, and I hope you guys enjoy this train coming by here.
I can kind of see, I think, red or orange. I can't tell. Ah, it's good old CN. Hello, buddy. She is one loud son of a gun, I can tell you that.
Alright guys, looks like we have an eastbound Autorack train coming into Battle Creek just at sunset. Beautiful sunset in the background here. Hope you guys enjoy this little Autorack train going by, and let's let it roll by here. Okay guys, there you go. There's some trains coming into Battle Creek. As seen here, we have two trains stopped in the main line. The closest train to me is actually backing up into the yard. I've never seen this before. He has a lot of mixed freight, so he's gonna be backing up into this yard here. Next to him is an Autorack train that's just sitting there to refuel. But hope you guys enjoy the second half of the video. Alright, as you see here, this train's going backward into the yard here. You're about to see him go past here, but this is very cool to see a train do this. I've never seen one ever do this coming into the yard, but hope you guys enjoy going in reverse here in a second now. Now we're here near Bloomfield Road, out just outside of Battle Creek, Michigan. This is where they go out to Lansing, Michigan. So hope you guys enjoy this awesome engine lash up here. There's 6 engines, so let's see another train roll by here in a second.
car there.
Here comes the other train, guys.
Now this is very common on this little stretch of rail here. You always catch two trains on the main line. It's very cool to see, but another train coming along another train. Oh man, that's like a rail fan's best feeling ever. Here's an SD70 M-2.
Look at this.
Please like and subscribe.
Now here comes another Canadian National train. This was a couple days later. Has a sit rail behind it, and also has a DPU on the back, all the way on the end of the train there. But sit rail is a very popular train company around here. They're not owned by Canadian National, but here comes a little train going outside of Battle Creek, going towards Lansing, Michigan. Here's a Autorack train coming from Lansing, Michigan. It's an SD70i leading, built 1996, with a whole bunch of Autoracks on it. So I hope you guys enjoy this little train coming by here. Hope you guys enjoyed the Penfield Road section. These are one of my favorite locomotives that's Canadian National built. But hope you guys enjoyed the Penfield Road section. So let's just move on to the next section. I hope you guys enjoyed the next section as well. Alright, now we're here in Springfield, Michigan. We're at that old railroad crossing that used to be active, but here comes a inbound Canadian National with a Union Pacific on the second engine. So I hope you guys enjoy this train coming through. Alright guys, it's G, he's coming into town. Now we have another train coming, and he's going to be coming outside of town. He's going to be leaving Battle Creek and heading towards Chicago. So enjoy this other train coming from Battle Creek. As seen here, this is a mixed manifest leaving Battle Creek. Battle Creek is known for these and Autoracks and coal trains. If you want to come check out Battle Creek, it's such a good rail fanning spot. I suggest to stay on the main line all day. You probably can catch at least 8+ trains a day. You can catch anywhere from old cars like Grand Trunk cars to Burlington Northern cars. So here comes another train, guys. Let's roll it. Alright guys, you see you have a Canadian National with a Kansas City Southern in the middle here. You don't see this much anymore. But on our next clip here, you're going to see an SD70 Illinois Central train coming from Lansing, Michigan. I've caught this guy for the second time. It was built in 1999 with a good old P5 horn on it. Enjoy, guys.
Catching Illinois Central.
Here's an Amtrak B42DC, seen very rarely up here in the state of Michigan. Glad to get a little horn tap from the engineer. So good to see these engines again.
That's awesome.
I knew they were laying on
Alright,
the
now
horn
we're
for
here
that
on
reason.
McAllister
Awesome.
Street. We have the Canadian National leaving Battle Creek heading eastbound. We have a beautiful Autorack train, and I hope you guys enjoy it leaving here. Autoracks are very common here in the state of Michigan, especially with the GM plants, etc. So enjoy. Alright, now we're here on another clip. It is another Canadian National leaving Battle Creek heading eastbound. This is a mix manifest with 3 engines on it. Hope you guys enjoy this bad boy leaving. It has a beautiful horn on it as well. Alright guys,
But eastbound, mixed freight,
and
heading towards Lansing.
ST40-2, 2 of them. Picking up a load from Kellogg's and Post, heading towards Jackson, Michigan. This is an ST40-2, built 1979, with a beautiful horn on it. Enjoy, guys. Alright guys, we're here back on McAllister Street. We have an ST40-2 Max Missouri Pacific leading here with North America Edition. This is very awesome. I love these engines. These are one of my favorite engines. So I'm just going to stop talking so you guys can enjoy this beautiful engine here. Central Heritage Unit. This is my first ever Heritage Unit, especially in Battle Creek. I was so honored to see this thing go through Battle Creek. I just can't believe I saw that, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip there of it going by. Now this is a V-Rail. I know why I was there. They were just transferring it out to Canada. These are the new Charger models that Amtrak went with.
I've never seen a V-Rail
So I was
before.
very cool to see that. It's been since the 90s since
This
V-Rail
must be
has been
really
in Battle Creek.
rare to see a V-Rail here. That is awesome. Look at that. Just
Now
sitting
here
here.
our local ST60. It's doing a local run
Yeah.
here. Has some Grand Trunk cars on it as well. I hope you guys enjoy this little compilation of trains of Battle Creek. There should be more in the future. Enjoy.
Awesome. Get the local train. Look at that. GT cars. 2 of them. You don't get to see that much. That's awesome. Local. That's awesome. Seeing GT stuff. I love it. Holy shit! More GT stuff! Look at that! That is awesome! Look at that! That's sick! That is awesome!